Hi, Gleasonites. Today we're going to talk about what primary sources look like in the different subject disciplines. What is considered a primary source in one discipline may be considered a secondary source in another, so we'll go over the key types of sources that are considered primary in the different disciplines and draw groups of subjects on their classifications. What discipline is your subject in? Pause and take a moment now to check. Are you in the arts and humanities, social sciences, STEM and health sciences, or an interdisciplinary field? Keep this information handy. You'll need it later. Let's get into a few main types of primary sources. First, we've got the research articles. These are published results of experimental or observational research studies. They'll typically contain an abstract, research question in the form of a hypothesis, methodology for participant recruitment and analysis, results, and discussion section. These are the primary sources for the social sciences discipline, specifically psychology and economics, and for STEM and health sciences, including biology, chemistry, engineering, and physics. Original works such as manuscripts, memoirs, newspapers, correspondence, speeches, and religious texts are primary sources in the arts and humanities discipline and sociology from the social sciences. Government publications like law and court cases are the main primary source types for the political science and international studies disciplines. Historical and international ephemera, which are newspapers, literature, art, and government reports, are generally considered primary sources for interdisciplinary fields and will vary widely by the specific project, whether you're in African studies, Asian American studies, Latin American studies, or gender and sexuality studies. With so much depending on what subject you're in, keeping all the details organized can be really tough. Let a library liaison help you with that. Did you know that you have a dedicated library liaison for your program? Take a look at the library liaison page at library.usfca.edu/liaisons and linked below to find out who they are. No matter what discipline your sources are within, it's important to make sure you cite your sources. Check out our Ethical Use of Information video series for a refresher on why citations matter. And if you need more help with your research, ask Librarian. We're here in person via 24/7 chat, email, and phone to help answer your questions, or visit the reference librarians at the library.